So now we will see the concept of 1-bit magnitude comparator and the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Now let's move on to the next concept, that will be the decoder. Decoder means it will be just like an multi-input, multi-output logic circuit which converts the coded inputs into the coded outputs, where the input and output codes are different. Decoder is a multiple input, multiple output logic circuit. Which converts the coded inputs into the coded outputs. Which converts coded inputs into coded outputs. This decoder we will see mainly in the computer CPU that will be allocated in the memory. That means the main purpose of decoder will be it select the particular register for that memory, and most of you can see the example of the decoder in the real-time applications. That will be in railway station you will see a digital screen. That means that will be in the form of numbers or time, or it may be your defined location or destination location. That will be used the digital circuit in the form of decoders. That means that the display is said to be the 7-segment display, and hence this decoder will be a combinational circuit. In this decoder, if you see the block diagram or the structure of the decoder will be like this. General structure for decoder. This will be the n is to 2 power n. That means here if you give the inputs, this will be the n data inputs, and here compulsory there will be an enable. That will be the enable inputs. And here 2 power n possible output combinations. Possible 2 power n outputs. Here you can see this n represents the data inputs, and here 2 power n represents the outputs. Here these 2 power n output values are vary from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This 2 power n output values from 0 to 2 power n minus 1. This bit will be asked in the competitive examination section. Let's see, if you put n is equal to 2, you will get the 0 to 2 square minus 1. That will be the 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. That means 0 to 3. If you take the n is equal to 3, you will get the 0 to 2 power 3 minus 1. That will be the 2 cube means 8 minus 1. That is equal to 7. 0 to 7. The main disadvantage for this decoder will be if you enable input as 1, here whatever the input will be selected and it will be going to selected this one of the input and make it as 1. If enable input is 0, that means it can't go to the data inputs and hence you can't select any of the output. If the data enable input is 1, then only this input structure will accompany and you will get the appropriate output. Suppose if you take then BCD code, BCD means binary coded decimal. Decimal means 0 to 9, right? Here if you take the 8421 code, that will be the 0 0 0 up to the 1 0 0 1. 0 to 9 combinations you will get, right? And here not used combinations 1 0 1 0 above 9 it can't be used. That will be the not used combination. The main disadvantage for the decoder is this only. If you can't use these bits, then total decoder will be disabled. If the one of the enable input is unaccepted, all outputs of the decoder are disabled. When any one enable input is unasserted, then all outputs of decoder are disabled. Now let's see the important applications for the decoder. I already tell you the applications for the decoder. Let's see one more time. Applications. First application will be it is used in memories to select particular register, and it will be used as convert BCD to 7 segment coder. Used as convert BCD to 7 segment code. This will be the applications for the decoder. Now let's see in the next concept. We will see the 2 to 4 decoder. That means if I take n is equal to 2 and 2 power 2, that means 2 is to 4 decoder. In the next concept we will see the 2 is to 4 decoder. Thank you.